Hello, and this is my GameCube out. So this is a platform that I made, and I made this nice menu with a new game level option with a fade in and then an exit button. I made an option, but yeah, that doesn't work. Oh, whoops, I have to reopen it. Sorry. Yeah, but if I press new game, there will be some music playing. And I made a checkpoint that will respawn you there each time. It took me some time to figure out, but I made it anyways. So I got myself a jump, a dash, and you can double jump, and that's about it. Whoops. So yeah, it's very simple, and I copied some code of a person. So that's basically the end of your level. And so I made this first level, which I added rotating blocks to, was really helped it ramp up the difficulty. And yeah, so there's this, and so making this level was pretty simple. I just had to make these things and put occasional checkpoints around. It was pretty easy and didn't take too much time. So making the character was simple, but I had to add a desk thing which needed the assistance of the checkpoint, and it was pretty simple either way. This level by my mom is said to be difficult, but once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Well, that's the end of the level. So for this one, I wanted to make it vertical, and I found this glitch earlier. Wait, I found this. Well, not really glitch, but I found this thing where if I combine shift with the direction and jump, it makes me fly. Like, well, well, there's something weird with the rotating blocks. If for some reason the rotating blocks somehow adds to that and makes you jump higher. But it was a pretty simple level and needed you to practice some dashing some more. Now for this, I got kind of lazy and I just put a ton of these platforms with different sizes with with this enemy around, which all it does is walk left and right, and it's very simple to create. And so the end of the level is over here. So continuing on from that, I made spikes that I have to exit the level and re-enter to just do it and to like reset the spikes because I couldn't find any way to reset it and it was weird. But yeah, I just did that. Ah, come on. I can do this. Took some time to make the spikes and the lasers working, but I never found a way to make the lasers to make the spike reset. So this is supposed to be like some kind of trickery that you walk past the spike part, or like you go to the spikes when you walk here. So yeah. So this is the finale, which I made as like the finale as this kind of combination of all. You saw the use of rotating blocks, and then we have these enemies here, which if you maneuver correctly, you can survive all the way. See that rotating block, which you will then use to get up here, and there will be a few more enemies until you pass through these rotating blocks, and you will see the spike part. Now I tried my best not to. Now I tried my best to make the spikes be set, but yeah, it was never possible. So I just made this, and it was pretty easy to dodge the lasers, as the lasers never really touch you, as it there's platforms that block it. Sorry. Now once you head over here, you jump up and you jump up, right? Up. And so if I wait, so if you jump up here and then you jump onto this, then this, and then oh oops, and then you jump here, and then you jump here, and then here. You win. Congratulations. So that's about the whole of the game. It was pretty simple to make. Okay. So yeah. There you go. Cube out. Pretty easy to make. So